Big Apple. I have loved this city since I was a kid. Where are you taking us?
Let me get my bearings. We're gonna go right down here. We got about 2 blocks down this way. Follow me. All right, I think we're here. And that's it, the Empire State Building.
Nice choice, Pop. One of my favorite buildings in the city, but why here?
Well, it turns out that my grand uncle, my father's mother's brother, was one of the foremen on the steelworkers on the Empire State Building.
When they were building it?
When they were building it.
Why am I not surprised?
So what I did is I arranged a tour for you and I to go see the building.
Look at you, Pops.
Yeah.
Nice job. Thank you. Hey.
Hi.
How are you, Siobhan?
Nice to
Thank
meet
you for setting this up.
Nice to meet
you
you.
guys.
Pleasure.
Welcome to the Empire State Building.
Thank you.
Nice to be here.
Have you ever visited before?
I was here once in the 80s, but it was too late in the day. I got as far as here and asked about tours, and they said, too late in the day for a tour.
Well, we are going to make up for that today. I'm going to show you the entire building, including how it was constructed. And we've had a lot of changes since the 80s. So I'm going to take you upstairs to the exhibit and show you how the building was built.
Great. Well, I'm excited.
Follow me. So this is the original Art Deco lobby, and even though they had made changes in the 60s, most of what we're seeing, over 90%, are still the original materials. So guys, welcome to the construction exhibit.
So these images that you've got up on the wall here, I mean, they really help to bring you back to the 30s and what was going on. I mean, look at these guys just walking around on the deck, sitting on the beams right there. No harnesses, no hard hats, no nothing. It's unbelievable.
It's crazy.
That's definitely the coolest part of the exhibit, is to really visually see how these men worked and what the conditions were day in and day out. And actually right behind me, we see one of the rivet gangs hard at work. So you see the heater over here heating up that rivet in the coal pot and then tossing it over to the catcher and handing it over to the welders.
My Uncle Manu used to say there was a coal bucket that they would pump up the flame, heat up the rivet and throw it, and the guy would catch it in some kind of a hopper, and then they would bang it in.
So your uncle worked on the Empire State Building?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
He was a steel worker, I believe.
This guy back here, Tommy, he's actually short and throwing rivets. That might be him.
Yeah, okay, Sonny.
So also here in the exhibit, you'll notice this steel beam. This is actually one of our structural support columns, and you'll notice that it's 7 layers of steel, and most notably, you could see all of the rivets.
So that steel column goes all the way up to the top of the building.
Yes, that is one of 12 support columns that go all the way through.
So what are the materials? I mean, the steel was the frame, but then, what are the floors, the decking made out of?
So yes, once they had all this steel in place, which is the frame and support of the building, then all of the masonry workers would come in and actually pour cement. Right. So it's steel, cement, limestone, and brick.
I heard there was like 730 tons of brick.
That is correct. The building in total weighs 365,000 tons.
Oh my gosh. It's staggering to think how quickly it went up.
In under a year. They broke ground here on March 17th of 1931, and we opened to the public May 1st, 1931.
And they finished 12 days early, if I remember correctly.
That is correct, and under budget, and that's something you'll never see today.
No, that's tough to do.
So here we are, gentlemen, at the 102nd floor, 1,250 feet up in the air.
Look at those views, huh?
Amazing.
So up here, not only do we get to see this amazing view of the city, but you also get to see some of the upgraded changes we made here.
What kind of stuff did you guys do?
We modernized all the elevators, so they're actually producing energy as they're running.
Really?
We repainted all of our windows, 6,500 windows in total.
But I think I read it was 6,514 windows.
Yes, if you want the exact number, that would be correct.
What were you doing last night?
I was excited about this.
I can tell.
What I want to know is, where are the binoculars?
Oh, yeah.
Those are actually downstairs on our world famous outdoor observatory down on the 86th floor. You guys want to go check that out?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
So let's
absolutely.
go. So here we are, guys, on our world famous outdoor observation deck. We get about 4 million visitors a year that come here.
Wow. Okay. A lot of
amazing.
people.
And
Good.
this is where I am going to leave you to enjoy the view. Do you have any final questions for me before I part with you?
Just a big thank you.
Thank
We
you,
really
guys.
appreciate the tour.
You're welcome
Thank
back
you.
anytime.
You were fantastic.
Yeah,
Thank
thanks,
you.
Siobhan.
Where's the binoculars?
Right outside on the desk there.
Thank you.
Siobhan.
You know, Tommy, I got some facts of my own.
You do?
Well, Siobhan wished me a couple. But
Okay.
She said that you can actually see 6 states from the observation deck. So obviously
Really?
New York, but you can see Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Delaware, all the way up to Massachusetts, and then obviously across the river to New Jersey. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.